Yeah, right now, it's filming.
Wow, gee, thanks. I ran to just freaking killed my eyeball.
Hear that? It killed her eyeball.
Can't do it like this, Cam. I hate to hear it. Here, hit it. Oh, you're supposed to hit it. Might not be my run. You're right.
Hey, the ball. Jesus, take the wheel. Hello, we're filming. You're supposed to say something.
I know that. Hi. I still do my football. Why do you leave the camera on Alan? Like, never mind. I got my mouth. You have to quit following the ball. That's. Dude, you're fired.
I'm fired.
Yeah.
Why? Why?
Still, retard. Because you're a very bad cameraman. I mean, you probably do as bad as Hunter does. And yes, Hunter, I hope you heard that. Bad cameraman. Yeah, I said man too, not woman. Man. Bad camera person. Man. Quit doing that. Sorry. There's sand everywhere.
There goes off.
So we totally need a new volleyball. That one's totally great. Like, I cannot share my life for it.
My blood.
Go. It's raining. It's about to be pouring. Ooh, baby. Like my dance move on. You know they made a video that said it's raining and pouring? I bet y'all get it on the rain. I saw it before when I was in kindergarten.
Guys, we have to go inside.
Why? Get that bug spray down there and bring it in the house.
Look free.
What?
There's Grandma.
In trouble. We're about to get killed.
Any last words before we go inside?
I love you.
Bye.